Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Yadira and today we're gonna go surprise our friend Ulises and we're gonna have Korean barbecue. The restaurant is called Meat Lover, so we're gonna go surprise him. I'm gonna vlog all of it, so hopefully you guys can get his reaction. So do you guys want to see my outfit? I'm gonna show you my outfit, like what I'm gonna wear for the... Okay. No, I don't know where to put you guys. I think I'm gonna put you right here. Alright. This is my outfit. So I have this Ed Hardy Virgencita. Okay, I got it at Zoomies. And then I got these at Target. I think they're mom jeans. And then I have my Jordans. And then I bought these at Five Below. These are my glasses. There's my outfit. Cute. And then I have my Virgencita necklace. Beautiful, beautiful. And my earrings and my ring. But check out my photos on Instagram. I did take some photos like right here with the cactuses. So yes. Alright, I'll see you guys there. So we're heading to Koreatown right now, and I got this soju. We can't have Korean barbecue without soju, so we're gonna try. It's the strawberry one. All right, taste test. We're almost there. Do you like my glasses or what?
Glasses are fine.
They're a little too big. I don't know why.
No, they're not.
We're just walking right now to surprise Ulises. ¡Feliz cumpleaños! Hello! You look so cute. Here is the birthday boy.
Waiting for my chicken.
Chicken. And then we got Alyssa, the beautiful girl right here. We got Santos right here. Woo! We got Tina. David. Here's Carla. And then we got Mara. I love that shirt. Chef Alyssa right here. Oh.
So what's up? Today is Sunday. It is a blessed day to be with your loved ones. You take a look around. We're all getting ready to club.
Hey. Pedro.
Hey. Whoa.
That's all you can eat.
That's like all you can eat ramen?
Yeah. Rice.
The broth is like extra eggs and noodles.
No, it's only this. No one noticed that hey, the elevator's not working right now. They're like, I hear banging. What the fuck?
It's kind of dark in here. We're gonna do cheers. All right, cheers! Happy birthday! Woo! Burning!
The grill?
Burning.
The grill.
Look at the grill. It's stuck in my mouth. I got my chicken.
Oh.
What?
You can't cook that. You have to leave that. Because she was feeding herself in the chicken coop.
I'm still chewing. Hold on.
Oh, you're so chewing.
Taste test. Oh. It's good.
Wait, what?
I'm eating the spicy chicken.
Thirsty?
Chicken? That's good.
They showed a video? They're talking about what
Oh, that's good.
You like that one?
it still counts as a 3 because you guys like that one.
Dude, the spicy chicken is good. Put it in there.
Thank you for coming, everybody. This is your dearest channel. Like and subscribe right here.
Yes.
Turn on the alerts right here. Just want to say no for real. Like, thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
Yay.
My beautiful girlfriend.
Yay.
But thank you, appreciate it. I love you guys. You guys are my family.
Yeah. Open it. Ábrelo.
Look, we're matching.
Yeah. So right now we're gonna go to photo booth. Photo booth.
It took us 20 minutes to decide.
No, literally. But it's
to figure out who's going with who.
no, literally. It's gonna take 5 minutes to drive there, but it would take 25 minutes to walk there. So that's why. We're trying to close this window, but it doesn't want to close.
We're having technical difficulties.
There was a light on.
We're just girls. Almost got ran into.
I think we're broken.
Flip it.
Oh, you can just press it.
Oh. Oh my god. Look at us. We're trying.
They're not gonna do it. We're trying. We're just trying to go to the photo booth. What if you turn it off and turn it on? The car.
We're trying everything at this point, guys. We're trying to figure it out, guys. Yadira's over here trying. She's smacking it. We're down bad.
No sirve. No sirve. We're trying to fix this window. We're just girls. We're just girls. We're just trying to look. That's crazy, dude.
I love it. Don't. There.
What?
All the guys are funny.
I don't know.
Oh, it worked! What? Yay!
Dude, what the heck?
Let's turn the.
What did you do?
I pushed the locked window.
It was locked. What the heck?
No, because the left one was going up and down.
Bruh, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. No. I know. Yay!
We made it.
We made it.
The window was locked.
Literally. Oh, you can't see everybody else. Woo! All right. We're looking for the photo place right now, but we don't know where it is. Oh, I think it's over there on the right. I see it. That's scary. We're going. We made it. We made it to the photo box. It is. We made it. It's like tiny though. Oh my gosh, shut the freak up. That's so cool. What? do one of these. Ew, cool.
You can go inside.
Oh my god, that looks so cool. They have a laundry one. So you get in the laundry and then you take a picture. What the freak?
Will you go in there?
Yeah, look, it looks like this. Oh. Look, yeah, look, it looks like this. That's crazy. David, what are you doing? No, brother. No. I'm ready. Because that one's five only, and we have a few. We'll be right back. We're gonna get our props right now.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
You pay first or after? You pay I think right now and then after. You get the 2 photos and then you get this and a video. Oh, we need the wallet? We're just gonna get our props real quick and then we'll come back. And then all girls after. Okay, all girls after.
10 seconds.
Okay.
Minutes up.
Yeah, listen.
No. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hurry.
There's one more. Oh my God.
Hurry.
Oh my God, we should have planned this. I didn't know what I did.
Hurry.
Oh my God, that's crazy, dude. That's bestie. Do you just want to do black or? That one?
White one, yeah.
Okay, then print. Dude, that was crazy! We didn't. That was crazy. I don't know what I was gonna do. We're all freaking out. They're gonna send that, so it's gonna show us right here. We took some photos. How cute! And then this is the video. Freaking cute. Boom. Look at the photos. We're gonna get SomiSomi ice cream, I believe. You excited?
Yeah.
You seem excited.
I am excited, brother.
That was so fast. All right. We got. Wait, let me show. Yummy! I got a dulce de leche with Nutella and a little Oreo filling and a little croissant. What did you get?
Ube.
Ube?
Yeah.
Okay. Taste it. Taste this. Taste this. Taste this. Why is it? Try it. Try it. How is it? How is it? Yummy. Alright, this is my first time trying this, so alright, let's try it. This is dulce de leche, so let's see. Cheers. You're gonna like this. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we're done for the night. It is 11:16 in the night.
We done. And we're going home now. So see you guys on the next video. Bye. Peace.